From Class Link, select Adobe Creative Cloud. Then on the left side, you will go log in with Google. If this screen comes up, you will select Enterprise ID, which will allow you to connect to Hanover County. When you log into Adobe Cloud Express, you will see that you have all different types of presentations and projects in which you can rework or remix. So today we're going to look for poster, and we'll click on that one. You can see that you have a blank canvas, and so you can create a poster here from scratch, or maybe you want to go over on the left-hand side where you can search over 2,000 different poster templates. So I'm going to type in American Indian. And you can see that even though I don't have an American Indian template that comes up, there are lots of different templates that I do have here that I can click on and I can remix to make it what I want it to be. So maybe I'll select this one about world oceans. Okay. To begin to edit this, okay, I might want to increase and zoom in a little bit so that I can see it a little better. Okay, that might be a little too far. Okay. If I want to change the title, I can double click and you can see that the edit of text is over on the right-hand side. So I might change my font there. I can change my font here, and I have a different choice of different fonts that I might want to use. I can change the size of it here, and I can change the color. And when I change the color, you can see that there is a palette that has been given to you. And so they want you to be able to create a more professional looking poster. So they're going to give you suggested colors that work well together. So maybe I will change mine to the dark indigo. I can align the text in the middle, or I can right or left justify it. I can even change the shape. So I might want to say, I want it to be round, or I want it to have a shadow, or I might want it to have an outline. And so I can do that just by clicking on and then adding to it that way. So you can see that just by clicking outline and then the color, I can add that color. Let's say I want to change something else that's on here, like the text. So I'm going to click in the text box here, okay? And you can see over on the right-hand side, I can now edit the text. So if I wanted to talk about sitting bull, I could finish this sentence and I could put that text information in that box, remembering to use good spelling, punctuation, and grammar. In this case, this image is actually like a clip art. And so if I click on it and I hit replace, I may have a difficult time finding something about American Indians. And you can see that when I try and type that in there, okay? And so what we might want to do for instances like this is we could actually delete that image, but we can come over onto the left-hand side and then we can look for images. So I might click on this picture and then I can put this right here on my slide. And I can change the shot size by dragging and dropping. Or if I wanted to rotate it a little bit or something like that, I could do that. So each piece of this poster is editable by you. And so it already has a basic layout and you just have to click and change what you would like it to be. You can change backgrounds, you can change text, you can change images, okay? When you are ready to send your project to your teacher, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to name it here. Okay, so maybe this is your Native American or your Indian project, okay? Give it a title. And then you're going to come down here and you are going to download it. And you can download it as an image file or a PDF, which is another piece of paper. So in this case, I'm just going to download it as a PDF. And it's going to download and save to the hard drive of my computer. This document you can see is here. And when I go to Schoology, then I just go to the assignment, I add it to the assignment and turn it into my teacher.